Yes. Question number 9th. After question number 2, I am starting question number 9th, because in question number 2 there is a line segment which is trisection. But in question number 9, divide into 4 equal parts. If a line segment is divided into 4 equal parts, then how many points will you take? Please tell me.
3.
3.
3.
Okay. 3. Screen is shared or not?
No, sir, it has no, sir.
Now screen is shared.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 9. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Find the coordinate of point which divide the line segment A -2 and 2 and B 2 and 8 into 4 equal parts. That is your A. -2 and 2. B, that is 2 and 8. Find the coordinate of point which divide the line segment A -2 and 2 and B 2 and 8 into 4 equal parts. Yes, that is the point P. Your x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x3, y3. Next is your Q, x4, y4, and next is your R point, that is your x5, y5. PQR. Now point P, x3, y3. There are two methods to solve this question. इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करने के 2 मेथड. Okay? Yes. First is P is a point which divide the line segment in the ratio of 1:3. 1:3. That is the first part. That is your this and this. 1:3. 1:3. And Q is the point which divide the line segment in the ratio of 2:2. 2:2. 2 1 are 2, 1 1 are 1, and that is the 1:1. And R is the point which divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of 3:1. This is the first method. And second method is that first of all we will find out the coordinate of point Q. And Q is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula हम apply कर सकते हैं, and we will find out the coordinate of point Q. Okay?
And then P.
Now P is the midpoint of AQ. Now P is the midpoint of AQ. So the ratio of AP and PQ 1:1. So P is the midpoint of AQ. And next will be R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of QB. It means this question totally can be solved by the midpoint formula. And 1:3, 1:1, and 3:1. You can solve by another method. So which method do you want to apply? Please tell me. First, midpoint formula. Yeah. Okay. Yes, midpoint formula. Okay. Q is the midpoint of AB. Q, x4, y4 divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio of 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 in the ratio of 1 ratio 1. Now this is your A point and the coordinate of point A, that is your -2 and 2, and coordinate of point B, how much? 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2, 8. Now this is the point Q, that is your x4 y4. Okay. Now the coordinate of point Q, x4 y4, that is 1 ratio 1.
1 ratio 1.
Now Q x4 y4. Okay, 1 into 2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, -2 plus 2 divided by 2, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Yes. Now the coordinate of point Q. x4, y4, Q, -2 plus 2, 0 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. That is Q x4, y4, and it is Q 0, 5. Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now the coordinate of point Q is 0, 5. Now we will find out the coordinate of point P with respect to AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. P x3 and y3 is the midpoint of AQ. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes. Now it is your A and it is your Q. What is the coordinate of A?
Sir, -2 and 2.
-2 and 2. And this is your point P,
Yes.
your x3 y3. That is 1 ratio 1. 1 ratio 1. P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of Px3 y3 is the midpoint of AQ. Midpoint of AQ. Now coordinate of Px3 y3. Have you done? Yes. Px3 y3. Px3 y3. P, that is your -2 plus 0 divided by 2, 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Two plus 5 divided by 2. So it becomes P -1 or 7 by 2. Please check the answer.
Yes, sir, correct.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
No problems. Now it is your P, Q, and R. Your next point is R. X5, Y5. X5, Y5. R, X5, Y5 is the midpoint of QB. 0, 5 and 2, 8. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find R, X5, Y5 is the midpoint of QB. That is, what is Q? Q is
Sir, 0.5.
0, 5. QB, what is B?
Sir, 200.
Yes,
2,
2, 8.
Yes, sir.
It is your point R, X5, Y5. It is 1:1. And R, X5, Y5. R, X5, Y5. Same as it is. If R is the midpoint of QB, now you apply the midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. 5 plus 8 divided by 2. And Q, that is your 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 13 by 2.
Sir, 1.
1 13 by 2. 1 13 by 2. Please check the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.